Hey guys, in this video, you're going to learn about the find method in strings. The find method basically allows you to find any part of a string in a string. For example, if I had the string I'm learning Python stored in a variable called my_string, and I wanted to find where the word learning is in the string, then I would use the find method. The find method would basically give me the index, which means the character count, of the first occurrence of this word. So, if I wanted to print the index, which again means character count, of the string learning in my_string, then I would write print string.find, and in brackets and in quotation marks, I would write learning. And when I run this code, it will return the character count of where learning occurs in my_string. This is the format you should follow for the find method. Write the name of the variable you want to find a string in, followed by a dot, followed by the word find, and then open brackets, and put the string you are looking for inside quotation marks inside the brackets. I'll show you another example. I'll create a variable called message and store the string hello world in it. Let's say I wanted to find the first occurrence of the letter L in the string and print out the index. Then I would write print, and in brackets I would write message.find, and then in another pair of brackets and in quotation marks I would write the letter L. Remember that I am finding only the very first occurrence of L, not all of them. Pause the video and guess what the output would be. The output is 2, because that is the index of when L first occurs in the string. Now what if I looked for an exclamation mark in the string? What number would it return then? Notice that there is no exclamation mark in message. When you look for something in a string that is not there, the number returned will always be -1. For example, when I look for an exclamation mark in message and write print message.find exclamation mark, when I run this code, as you can see, the output is -1. This is how the find method works. Feel free to play around with finding parts of strings in strings using the find method yourself.